Precision sealing gets easier when you switch from manual tools to a cordless solution designed for smooth, consistent bead control. Today, we're going over the best battery-powered caulking gun from our top picks, fatigue, and improve accuracy for construction, repair, and DIY sealing tasks. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. DEWALT 20-Volt Caulking Gun. The DEWALT 20-Volt Caulking Gun is a reliable, professional-grade tool designed for users who need precision and consistent performance on demanding jobs. Its variable speed trigger offers excellent control over adhesive flow, allowing smooth and accurate application, whether you're sealing gaps or working on larger construction tasks. The integrated speed dial adds another level of customization by letting you set minimum and maximum flow rates, which is especially useful when switching between different materials. One standout feature is the anti-drip mechanism that automatically retracts the plunger when the trigger is released, helping keep your workspace clean and reducing material waste. The Quick Connect interchangeable canister trays make switching between different cartridge sizes fast and hassle-free, adding convenience on busy job sites. A built-in LED light improves visibility in dim environments, ensuring accuracy even in tight or poorly lit areas. Additionally, the sturdy hang hook makes storage simple between uses. Made in the USA with global materials, this caulking gun delivers durability, efficiency, and dependable performance for both professionals and serious DIY users. Number 2. SEESII 2000 mA Caulking Gun. The SEESII 2000 mA caulking gun stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for large-scale caulking projects. Designed with a 29-ounce high-capacity barrel, it significantly reduces the need for frequent reloads, making it ideal for extended tasks such as flooring, renovations, or construction work. Its steepless speed control allows for smooth and precise adjustment of the flow rate, ensuring accurate application across a wide range of materials. With an impressive 6,500 Newton thrust force, this tool easily handles thick adhesives and sealants without hesitation. The auto retract and anti-drip system keeps your work clean by preventing excess material from leaking after each use. Powered by dual 2,000 mA batteries, the gun offers up to 8 hours of continuous operation, minimizing downtime during long projects. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in darker areas, while the 360-degree rotating cartridge holder provides flexibility for working at different angles. Overall, this caulking gun is a dependable choice for professionals and DIY users who value efficiency, power, and convenience in demanding applications.
Number 3. SEESII 10-Ounce Caulking Gun. The SEESII 10-ounce caulking gun is a compact yet capable tool designed for precision and ease of use, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. It works seamlessly with standard 10-ounce cartridges, making it suitable for everyday tasks like sealing countertops, filling gaps, or repairing tiles. The tool features 4 adjustable speed settings, allowing users to control the flow rate depending on the task at hand, whether it requires detailed precision or faster coverage. Its intelligent anti-drip system ensures that the plunger retracts instantly when the trigger is released, helping to prevent messy leaks and wasted sealant. The inclusion of dual 2.0 amp-hour batteries provides extended runtime, enabling continuous operation for several hours without interruption. A built-in LED light near the nozzle improves visibility in tight or poorly lit areas, enhancing accuracy during application. Overall, the SEESII caulking gun offers a balanced combination of control, convenience, and reliability, making it a practical choice for small to medium-sized projects around the home or job site. Number 4. SEESII Cordless Caulking Gun. The SEESII Cordless Caulking Gun brings modern upgrades and improved efficiency to everyday caulking tasks. Featuring a brushless motor, this model delivers better performance, lower noise, and a significantly longer lifespan compared to traditional brush designs. The tool is powered by 2 2,000 mAh batteries, providing extended usage and the ability to handle up to 100 tubes of sealant on a full charge, making it highly suitable for both small repairs and large installations. Its stepless speed adjustment allows users to fine-tune the flow rate according to the material and project size, ensuring consistent and precise results. The upgraded full-ring LED light provides brighter and wider illumination, making it easier to work in low-light conditions. An intelligent drip-proof system prevents excess sealant from leaking after releasing the trigger, keeping the work area clean and efficient. Additionally, the gun supports various materials and is compatible with multiple 18-volt batteries, adding flexibility. This model is a solid choice for users seeking durability, power, and versatility.
Number 5. ProMaker Nozzle Caulking Gun. The ProMaker Nozzle Caulking Gun is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to make caulking tasks more efficient and less physically demanding. It eliminates the need for manual squeezing, significantly reducing hand fatigue, which is especially beneficial during extended projects like window installations, bathroom sealing, or automotive work. Equipped with two 21V batteries, it ensures longer operating time and consistent performance, allowing users to work without frequent interruptions. The adjustable speed settings provide precise control over adhesive flow, making it suitable for both delicate detailing and larger applications. What sets this kit apart is the inclusion of multiple accessories, such as nozzle adapters, knife heads, and finishing tools, offering added flexibility for different tasks. The anti-drip system helps maintain a clean workspace by preventing unwanted sealant leakage, while the built-in LED light enhances visibility in tight or dim areas. Overall, this caulking gun is a practical and efficient option for users who want a complete all-in-one solution for various sealing and repair projects. That wraps up the top 5 best battery-powered caulking gun. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.